Okay, so today is our third day in Bangkok. We just had some dim sum at Tim Ho Wan with one of our really good friends, Matt and Som.
Looking very Korean today.
Really?
With your, if you put your cardigan on, like a Korean skin.
Really? Fair. It's so humid. This never happens.
I like it. Do they have the carts? No, right? It's like a...
No, I think you just order.
Just order?
Yeah.
Is there anything you guys don't eat?
No, I eat
We
everything.
eat everything. Yeah.
It's nice, but it's getting like very thirsty. Like more than
Yeah.
like 30 minutes.
Okay, what?
She's so freaking cute. Her expression.
Penis is all wet.
What happened?
And now we're just going to do some work at the hostel until dinner time. My hair got lighter, right? But day 4?
Day 4.
Day 4.
We've certainly met interesting people here. I think staying at a hostel is a good choice.
Yeah.
Get to meet very cool people, interesting stories.
Like-minded people, you
Yeah.
know?
Alright, so we're here at the Asia Bangkok
Hotel.
And we are waiting for Sophia
Princess Sophia.
to wake up from her nap.
Yeah, it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning. We're really hungry. But we are supposed to go to JJ Market today, which is, I think, the biggest market in Bangkok. Apparently they have everything.
It only opens on weekends.
Yeah. So I'm excited for that. And some more street food.
Alright. We're hungry. We're gonna go find food now.
Yeah.
I think it's sunny for the first time
I don't know.
today. I mean, since when we've been here.
Yeah, it's been like really gloomy and rainy. Like on and off. But
It's actually it's not sunny at all.
yeah. Oh look, there's like stuff across. It seems like.
Alright.
Or we can go anywhere, honestly. Do you think you can like cross over?
Yeah.
Oh, these stairs. Legs are kind of tired today. All that walking we've been doing. I mean, I guess it makes up for not going to the gym, right?
Yeah. I think I've lost weight since I've been here.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can say the same.
Alright.
So
Made it
remember,
across.
no drinks, okay? Remember you had that grapefruit,
Oh yeah.
like iced grapefruit aloe vera drink?
It was pretty good though.
It was good, but you're throwing up like pink stuff. Just gotta be careful.
Oh, there's a whole thing here.
Cool. Wow, look at those eyes.
Hey.
It doesn't care about you.
Hey.
It's gonna swipe you, don't bother.
Hey.
Oh, look, that mouse baby. Oh, shit. Ooh. Oh, shit.
Wait, don't pick up or hold the cats. Look at all these pictures of people holding the cats.
Yeah, don't pull the cat. cat's tail, only play with them gently.
Okay, let's go. Brushing and petting the cats will make them happy.
There's so many cats.
Oh my god, there's so many cats.
So we're at a cat cafe right now called CATURDAY. We stumbled upon this place while looking for a bite to eat. What should we eat? There's so many cats in here. I love it. Okay, we need to hurry up and order so we can play. I don't even want to eat anymore.
I'm so hungry still.
You dare me?
Eat it.
Just needed to mochit
Tomochit.
For JJ Market, one of the biggest markets, or the biggest markets in this area. We're gonna get some food right now. There's so many like little stalls and he's a little overwhelmed, but we'll figure it out. This market is huge. Just got this lychee drink. It's so refreshing. So good. The sun's coming out. We forgot to bring sunblock, so hopefully we don't get burned too bad. JJ Market was hectic, but totally worth a visit if you like shopping and eating cheap and delicious food. Now it's time to head back to our hostel and cool off.